Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and today in this video we are going to analyze XRP. We'll be conducting an AI based and machine learning based forecast for XRP's price action regression analysis as well as some of the sentiment analysis. The word cloud that you're seeing on the screen contains the information about which narratives have been popular over the last 7 days. You can see XRP amongst one of the top popular narratives, at least among the top 30. And in terms of the size of a narrative, XRP has a decent attention span. Over here, the size of a narrative determines the popularity. Bitcoin and the bearish sentiment has been popular over the last 7 days. Some bullish narratives, some of the news related to SEC as well as some other altcoins apart from XRP, Ethereum, and Solana are gaining some attention. In terms of other narratives which are new and getting some popularity, recession and talks about recession and the Fed are some of the popular narratives. We'll try to understand that in terms of the Bitcoin and Ether risk right now. At one point in 2024, that is around March 2024, the risk levels. This is analyzed based on the difference between the price and the 20-week moving average on a normalized scale between 0 and 1. At one point, the risk levels were at 0.92. At that point, Bitcoin had broken out its previous all-time high at around 73k. Now on August 13th, the risk levels for Bitcoin is 0.25, for ETH is 0.24. Again, in the larger picture, the risks are somewhere over here at between low risk, between 0.2 and 0.4. And why are we analyzing Bitcoin and ETH? Because they constitute between 60 to 80% of the market share of the crypto market. The nature for altcoins is they are correlated with Bitcoin and ETH, and the runs in Bitcoin and ETH pave the way for the movements in the altcoin market such as XRP. One analysis of XRP right now, the current circulating supply is at around 57 billion circulation of the max supply of 100 billion XRP tokens. That means the current circulating supply at around 56%, coming in really close with the 60% threshold that like we like to analyze on the channel, to see if there is minimal impact of token inflation. So again, one update related to XRP is that right now the token supply, that is the circulating supply of the token, is coming into the levels which are increasingly becoming more attractive. Again, this is not the only metric that is of importance, but just wanted to highlight that after 60% at the circulating supply levels, the impact of token inflation gets minimized. In terms of XRP's recent rally and analyzing where that price action takes us, from July 7th, when the price action was at around 45 cents, now it's at around 57 cents. There has been a rally to about 60 cents, and then slight correction in August, not too dissimilar with other major cryptos. Per our machine learning model, this model is trained from 2017, price action from 2017 at a weekly level. Per this model, the base case for XRP till the end of year is between 57 cents and about 62 cents. The bull case, that is at 68% confidence level, at between 67 cents and about $1.77. The bear case between 27 cents and 51 cents. So that's the machine learning based forecast for XRP. In terms of the regression analysis, for XRP right now, price action at around 57 cents, as we saw. The fair value per our polynomial regression function, this is the pink line in the middle, the fair value at around 55 cents. From the fair value perspective, there are three lines to the upside, which are the 1 standard deviation, 2 standard deviation, 3 standard deviation residuals, as well as to the bottom in green, light green, dark green, and blue, the 1 standard deviation, 2 standard deviation, 3 standard deviation bottom. So right now the price action slightly above the 1 standard deviation, the fair value at around 54-55 cents, and the 1 standard deviation peak at this point in time it at around 84 cents. The last rally that XRP had significantly around the SEC news back in July of 2023, again little over 1 year from the current timeline. At that time the rallies did not exceed the 1 standard deviation peak, which was at that point at around 79 cents, and at this point it is at around 85 cents, and the 1 standard deviation floor is at around 36 cents. So if we were to get rid of the other bands and try to understand what is the 68% or 70% confidence or 68% time that the price action stays within these bands, those bands are at around 84 cents and 36 cents, between those two levels. So in terms of analyzing XRP and its compound annualized growth rate, let's say XRP manages to stay around for the next 15 years and grows at around 22% year over year. Just we would like to tune out the noise of the monumental rallies during the bull market and the monumental crashes during the bear market, and tried to smoothen it out at 22% year over year growth. For this longer term model, if XRP manages to stay alive for the next 15 years and grows at 22%, price of XRP, one XRP token could be at around $10.50, and the number of XRP token needed to be a XRP millionaire in 2040 would be at around 95,000. Again, this is without any staking, and 2040 is 1 year, but if you were to be interested in other years such as 2033, 2034, this particular chart offers insights on the price at 22% growth on the blue line, and the red line the number of tokens needed to be XRP millionaire at any point in time. All of the charts that you are seeing on the screens are available or cryptoweeklies.com, and you don't have to pay or sign up for anything. In terms of analyzing the accumulation related models for XRP, right now the simple moving average based risk levels for accumulating XRP are at around 0.3 risk. During the latest dump in July of 2024 for XRP, the risk levels were between 0.2 and 0.3 risk. Again, slightly lower than that. You can see over here, that's the risk level. When the risk levels go sub 0.1, that's when the per this model the likelihood of mean reversion back to the upside becomes more and more likely. The last time we visited this level was in June of 2022, when the price action for XRP was at around 31 cents. So right now it's somewhere in the middle at around 0.3 risk. Again, before the bull run of 2021, XRP spent a lot of time in this risk regimen, that is the sky blue color, and now we are again after the end of bear market in 2022. XRP has spent a lot of time in this same color. You can see between 0.2 and 0.3 risk, and now this is the simple moving average based accumulation strategy, which is pointing to 0.3 risk, but the dollar cost average related model based on the regression fair value regression valuation, as well as proportional distance and time adjusted volatility. Per this model, the risk levels for XRP accumulation at 0.22 risk level. This has been some of the second or third best time to dollar cost average XRP. And if you were to look at XRP from a longer term perspective and accumulating across multiple cycles, the time weighted average price model points to the valuation at this point in time. The fair value for XRP per this analysis at around 52 cents, kind of similar with the polynomial regression function. So whenever the price is below this time weighted average price, that is the line in blue, that is a great time to accumulate XRP. So the current price action slightly above the time weighted average price. That means although XRP is fairly close to the fair value, The best deals were available in the bear market, but again not the worst time, because during the worst phases to accumulate, the color codes drastically shift from this blue color to again to the neutral shades of yellow, and then orange, and back to red. That's when the major peaks occur, historically speaking. You can see this particular model has identified two peaks for XRP, one in 2018 as well as one in 2021. So again, we are not closer to the peak, but also we are some distance away from the bottom, at least from a linear analysis of the difference between the price and the time weighted average price. So that's the analysis for XRP. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.